Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today again I come back here after done my duty. So very valuable point I bring it for you today. Excellent equipment training I'm going to share with you all, and I'm going to cover in my live session. I'm going to share very clearly about one medical equipment that is very fantastic equipment. Okay, so every day I'm giving live sessions daily 9 p.m. is confirmed. Understand? My dear engineers, my dear students, my dear staff, whoever engage my sessions, please try to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and be active. If you engaged, please keep your mobile mute and please keep quiet and let me say whatever things, points, everything I'm going to say. Okay. I hope you are listening. And see, let me explain all things in this live session, whatever I bring it for you all. Medical equipment, that is patient warmer. Okay. So patient warmer, where it is available and where treatment is available. Okay. Every point pin to pin for every biomedical engineering purpose, I am going to provide the valuable information to do perform in your work area, right? In this way nobody give you live sessions, okay, about this medical equipment. I hope 100% I'm trying to give you. Okay, listen to carefully. And by giving presentations very clearly pin to pin point, I'm going to escalate by adding my real time hospital experiences and giving presentation time while talking very fluently and clearly. If you have any doubt, just give me comment positive way. Definitely I will be there to support you, right? Let me introduce myself first of all. Listen to carefully. I am Ganesh, State Regional Manager, Biomedical Engineering Operations. I'm taking care. So state level I'm operating. So by used my all 18 years of experiences, because of I have completed the multiple designations and crossover in my life. So my every experience life, definitely it is very useful to all biomedical engineers. So that much I have confidence. I have provide until now 100 plus live sessions completed and many engages coming. Thank you so much. And especially here, I want to give you very valuable information. Okay, today I have selected the topic that is patient warmer. Okay, so warmer in my live sessions. What is if you look like, okay, as a biomedical senior or junior and experienced person, whoever, because of every engineer not have any idea all equipments starting situations. Yes, so that's why I'm focusing and I want to give you valuable information in this way. So valuable contribution 1 to 2 hours it will be there today live sessions and many topic technically non-technically and troubleshootings and operations and many things I'm going to escalate here. And see, based on my 18 years of experiences, I'm going to escalate here as a citizen of society. Okay, as a citizen of the society I am the responsible. That's why today I come here. Here my disclaimer, what I don't include any official matters. Okay, and I'm not including also any official matter, confidential matters, and any companies, anything. Because of professional is professional, but awareness purpose I'm going to give you informations. By engage my live sessions you will get a great informations about the medical equipment and all types of experiences about the biomedical engineering, right? Yes, come on. So regard patient monitor I'm going to say. So these all things pin to pin I will show you, and whatever I bring it for you, presentation, thumbnail and title, based on that on daily basis I will bring different topics and different concepts, different explains explanations and experiences I'm going to add in my live sessions, right? Is it clear my voice? Is it audible? Whoever joined, please give me comment. Then let me start now, because of time is very important. And here I want to engage professional way. And whoever watch my sessions, okay, definitely you will become a biomedical engineer and you can do your job individually. Understand? So this much introduction I'm giving me. See, every video, every live sessions I'm going to give you introduction about the equipment, about myself. Because of this is the social media, we have to be careful and we should be a confident and we should be a inspirative to the society. What we have completed all things in our life, everything we have to follow and we have to do all things, because of human healthcare technology is very important. That is why everybody should know about the medical equipment, right? Yes, come on, let me show you whatever I bring it you right now today. What a patient monitor. Be ready because of many more engages I needed. So definitely many people can watch my session. See, it is going to record in my live sessions. Nothing to worry. Anytime, anyone, anywhere can watch my live sessions if you are interested really, right? Yes, keep your smile, okay? Keep a smile on your face and be ready because of some important information knowing purpose. It is a great platform to every engineer, right? Come on. Today, what I bring it for you, I want to show you in my presentation because of these are the very, very informations I'm going to show you, right? Yes. Now let me show you today what's my presentation, what I'm going to give you all, right? Biomedical engineers, freshers, engineering students, trainees, senior biomedical engineers, and specialist, whoever interested about this biomedical, please listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Now I'm going to show my presentation here. Is it visible now, my dear engineers? I hope is it visible. Yes. See here. My way of explanation is different. My approaching is different. Okay. Because of everything is recommended to become a excellent biomedical engineering in this society. Right? Let me continue and subscribe my channel. And today see here live streaming going now 9 p.m. as per given commitment, as per given instructions. Definitely what I say I will do it. Okay, right? Come on. Patient monitor, see, patient warmer, okay, and complete biomedical engineering live and internal parts and electrical electronics, working principle block diagram and troubleshooting PM calibration safety and ICU OT applications and interview questions, okay. These are many points I will discuss here, I will share here. It's a genuine way and which is comfortable way. And here I want to say, if you are a zero also, no problem. Okay, I will make a understand. Be confident and try to listen what I'm saying and try to follow the instructions in your work area. Right? Come on, let me say. Today we are discussing about what? Patient warmer. Okay. So patient warmer is the very, very important. If you know this equipment, definitely at the end of the session, you will have a great idea and confirmation and clarifications and some practical experiences also you will get it. Right? Is it clear my voice? Is it audible by voice? I hope you are listening right now. Yes? Come on. Let me say and let me show you everything, whatever I have experienced in my life, whatever the things, because of whenever you face the problem, whenever coming problem in your life, then only you come to know the value of the skills, biomedical engineering skills up to now. Nobody have idea. Understand? So do your duty purpose. You should know the values of the equipment. For that purpose, daily I'm giving, and my target is 1,000 live sessions. I'm going to give you without fail. Okay, with proper explanation, a unique way. I'm trying to give you, and still, whoever watched my sessions, okay, live sessions 9 to 11 in between time. So if you have any doubt, just give me comment in my YouTube channel. Based on your comment, I will be respond there. Everything will be a professional, right? Now come here. Now see here. What's my content here? 14/7/2026 today. Date 9 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time. Okay. So very clearly, I bring you all proper notes. Notes are very, very important. Proper notes is very, very important. Proper learning is very, very important. And good senior support also very, very important. This type of opportunities you should have in your life. So many people, so many engineers are not have that much opportunity. For everyone purpose, I'm thinking that's why I want to create a good platform about the biomedical engineering in the society. Okay, everything not easily come. That's why my complete efforts and my complete life struggle, everything I'm going to explain here and try to listen. Okay, right, come on, come to the point. Let me know. Keep watch my channel. Now come to the point. Right now we will go to the topic now. Right now, see here. Yes. So these all points, see, these are the warmer. See here, before giving any explanation, I am not taking any make, model, manufacturer because of multiple types of manufacturers available in the local market. So I am taking only the basic fundamentals of the equipments. Now today, patient warmer, how work everything. Basically, what are the common things? If you talk about the patient monitor, then I will give you more complete explanation, right? Yes. And next live sessions coming onwards, I will take a manufacture, make model, based on that your doubt, then I will give the clarifications, then you can do perform your duty in your work area, right? Yes, come on, let me show you first of all. See here, these all points I bring it you for you. See, here I'm giving notes means how to learn and how to practice, how to be perfect. Time is very, very valuable. Okay. In my live sessions, what are the benefits are there? By engaging live sessions, you can see the presentations, and these are the practical things you can be clarify, you can be clarity about the task, because of so many engineers completed the degree, diploma, or btech, whatever it is, but after completion of the graduations or diploma, whatever degree, they may not have any idea about the medical equipment, they may not have confident also, understand? So that's why today I'm giving live sessions means that is a very positive mind. Definitely I will give the proper presentation, because if it is going to record in my playlist area, social media. Okay, whoever interested, listen carefully right now. See here, if you see my presentation, see here, it is visible right now. See here very clearly, you are a new person, for example. Okay, engineers, you are a new person, I'm thinking now. First of all, anyway, see, when you see the equipment, then you have to know what is the equipment and how was selected, everything for you have to know one by one. Okay, right, my intention, what every engineer should have good skills on medical equipment. Okay, now come here, I want to show you patient warmer, how look like. See here. Okay, now see, one by one I will show you, and I will read out, and I will explain, and I will give the proper example based on my real time hospital experience. Yes, come on. Now listen to carefully, my dear engineers, my dear students, biomedical engineers and students. See here, this is the patient warmer. Okay, what? Forced air warming system for ICU surgery and recovery. Okay, this is the main line, and pin to pin I'm going to read out, and I will show you. Then you can understand that. Then you will be clarity about your confident, right? Right. Come on. Let me show you. See here. So which is visible on the presentation. See here. This is the patient warmer. Okay. This is the patient monitor. How, what are the things are there, what are the components are there, and you have to know, because of as a biomedical engineer, you have to know the all parts of the medical equipment, and if you see the equipment, then you should be clarity, and what is the definition, everything I will tell you right now. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, patient monitor. See, so patient warmer. See here, patient warmer is the unique equipment. Okay, now come to the point, I want to show you what are the parts are there here. Number one point, see here, control panel, display and button. Okay, what? This one. Okay, if you take any patient warmer, any company make model, these are the basic things, because of by observing this one only, we have to connect the patient, and we have to monitor the patient right now. Yes, and we have to give the treatment, how to treat and everything I will tell you right now. Let me engage right now. And air outlet. See here, these are the basic points. These are the, as a biomedical engineer, you should know these all points, and you should interact these all things. Then only you will become a biomedical engineering, right? Yes, come on. Main unit, blower and heater, and air intake with filter. See, this is the out visible part area I'm showing, and here engaging right now. Every slides I bring it for you. Slides wise I'm going to explain. Okay, right? Come on. I hope you are engaging right now. Subscribe my channel. And see hose, this is the hose. Okay, warming blanket disposal, next connector. Okay, these are the, see, these are the main visible. Okay, so I hope you are getting right now. This is the patient monitor, these are the components of the, these are the parts of the patient warmer. Okay, patient bed. See here, this is the, see here, warming blanket disposal. See, okay, this one, but this one blanket depend on manufacturers, company, make, model, it is going to changes. Okay, depend on condition of the patient also, it is going to use. I hope you are getting right now, my dear engineers, and listen to carefully what I'm saying, and try to keep in your mind. Come on, this is the what, how look like equipment for example purpose. If you see this one, these are the parts, then you can understand, right? Come on. Now come here, I want to show you what is the definition of this patient warmer. I'm going to read out now, I'm going to tell, right? I hope it is visible right now. Yes, my dear engineers. See, in this way, why I'm giving presentation? Because of, see, we have a study, Okay, we have a study purpose, we have a books, everything. But so many people are not interested because of education life is different and college life is different. Okay, and job life is different. Now I'm talking about the job life and everything practical things I'm going to explain here to give the presentation in my way. Right? Right, come on. What is the definition of the patient warmer? Let me say, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. A patient warmer is a medical device, okay, and use it to maintain normal body temperature by delivering controlled warm air through a blanket. Simple thing, okay. It's a patient warmer means what? Warming, okay. Simple thing. After surgery time, then that area need to recovery purpose. We have to give the proper heat. So heat warming that area. So then we can recover the patient, okay. These are the very very important. These are things available in mostly in ICUs and or operation theaters. We can find out, right? And normally you cannot see these all things because of these are the very rare situations you can find out as a biomedical engineer in the hospital, right? Come on. Now, temperature by delivering control warming air through a blanket. It helps to prevent hypothermia during and after surgery and in ICU care. Okay, this is the definition. I hope you get it right. Okay, patient warmer what? These are the definition because of simply after surgery we are using. Okay, different types of warmers we have in the medical field. So depend on equipment we have to decide, right? Right, come on. So definitions here, a patient warmer is a medical device used to maintain normal body temperature by delivering controlled warmer air through a blanket. It helps prevent hypothermia during and after surgery in ICU care. I hope you get it right now. Yes? Right, come on. One point I'm going to share with you all. This is the proper notes is very, very important. Learning purpose, practice purpose for every biomedical area to improve your skills purpose. These are the very, very important. Okay. I'm not sharing here theoretical part, everything practical only, but I'm giving presentation purpose. I try to make you understand. That's why I'm coming in this way. Now come here. Next, see these all points I'm going to share means what points you have to focus as a biomedical engineering servicer. Okay, because of see as a biomedical engineer, what's the responsibilities are there? What are the responsibilities? To take responsibility what? Repairing, servicing, managing, operating, troubleshooting, settings, everything. Complete responsibility of the biomedical engineering. Okay, that's why if I share it, then it is very very useful and very very comfortable in your life. Yes, let me continue right now. Keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel and engage what I'm saying. I hope, see, by engage my live sessions, you will get a great point and you will get a confident. That is my expectations from your side, right? Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. Now I'm going to read out, see here, working principle of the patient warmer. Okay. So many things, important points I'm going to share here. Try to engage right now. Okay. Now working principle of the patient monitor, see here. First one point here, working principle, the blower draws room air through a filter. Okay, first point. Next, second point here, working principle, the air passes through a heating element and is warmed. Okay, and warm air is delivered through a hose into a specially designed blanket. Very, very simple. As a biomedical engineer, you should know and we should be a confident and you should be a skillful point in your work area. Okay. Biomedical engineer not only provide the services, to provide the services purpose, you should know basics of all medical equipments. Then only you will become a leader in your life. Okay. Then only you will become a master in your work. Right. Come on. And see here, warm air is delivered through a hose into a special designed blanket. And see next point here, working principle, warm air circulates and is evenly distributed over the patient's body by convection. Okay, these are the working principle points and try to keep a note in your points. Okay, see I'm giving in this explanation why, because of the one topic I'm giving me. So then whoever interested and whoever engaged, definitely after watch my live sessions, definitely will get a great clarifications about the this medical equipment, what? Patient warmer. Okay, now come on. My dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Now come on, working operation. These are the very, very important for every biomedical engineers, because of whenever we get a complaint from the hospital, whenever we get a complaints from the medical equipments, we cannot imagination. That's why my intention, Every engineer, if you have a good skills, definitely you will face the problem, you can resolve the issues. At the end of the day, you will become a master in your work, and at the end of the day, you can give the best performance in your work area. That is my opinion, okay, based on my experiences, because of I have achieved many things. That's why today I am ready to give you all informations, and which are today I am capable to also, okay, right? Come on. Now, working operation of the patient warmer, listen to carefully, okay. Working principle of the patient warmer, number 1 point, power on the unit. And we have to know where is the power on switch also, we have to find out, okay. I'm talking about the freshers, and whoever not idea about the patient warmer, those engineers, definitely you should learn, okay. Today, if you don't know, that is not a matter. At the end of the day, you should be a master in your life. And power and working principles here: select required temperature, and system self check and airflow start. And fourth points here: working operation, warm air flows through hose to blanket. And fifth point: blanket placed over or under patient. And sixth point here: temperature is maintained by a feedback from sensors. Alarms alert if any faulty occurs, okay. These are the very very important points. Shortcut way I'm giving information, because of as a biomedical engineer, we have to keep a lot of informations in our mind, because of a we have to become a senior biomedical engineer, okay. That's why proper discipline, proper maintenance, then you can catch many things, and you can do your services right now. Yes, right. Now see here, come to the point: workflow of the patient warmer. Everything listen to carefully, because of valid points I'm going to share here, and everything professionally only, and without waste of time. It is very valuable time, okay. Now workflow, I'm going to show you here. See, by this presentation you can understand, because of this type of presentation not available in this society. Understand? So see, different types of biomedical engineers and well engineers, skilled engineers available in the society, but still more awareness needed for the biomedical engineering upcoming students, and whoever doing work as a biomedical engineering, for every one purpose. Very valid information is very very important. That's why I'm going to give you, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Now come here: workflow of the patient warmer. Every equipment have a proper workflow, depending on the condition of the patient, depending on the condition of the organs, okay. Because based on our organs in our body, we have a multiple technical equipments we have in the society, right? So that's why we are talking about this one: patient warmer workflow. How look like? See here, I'm going to read out now. Please see here. I hope is it visible right now, my dear engineers, and whoever engaged, please subscribe my channel. Now today we are discussing about the patient warmer. Okay. Now workflow, see here. What are the things I'm going to say step to step, then you can understand very clearly. Right, come on. First of all, what workflow? Power on. Okay. Power on, why? Because of every medical equipment manufactured based on electrical electronic basis. That's why to activate the components purpose and functioning purpose, we have to use the electric power supply. I understand? Right. And see, power on. Next to set temperature, and what are the temperatures and what are the required temperatures, I will show you right now. Please engage right now, okay. I will show you in this presentation only. I will give you more valuable points I'm going to share here, and everything necessary to all biomedical engineers, whoever working as a biomedical engineer. For every biomedical engineer purpose, definitely it is very very useful in our life, right? And temperature, see here: air heating. Next one, workflow I'm going to show here. See here: and warm air to blanket, and heat transfer to patient, okay. By taking heat only, it is going to recover, it is going to dry the skin, okay. Wherever operation completed, wherever surgery completed, there it is very very essential, because of it is a very less time, it will be cure the patient, okay. Because of how can I say, because of regard this patient warmer time, I have worked in corporate hospital, because of I have experiences different organizations. 8 companies I have changed, and 8 states I have worked. So those all things are real practical experiences I'm going to share here, because of my presentation definitely very very useful and helpful in your life, for every biomedical engineers. This is the workflow. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Because of you have to focus in this way, then only you will be a master. And see, nobody give you instructions while doing your duty, okay. You have to implement, you have to practice, you have to follow, because of company paid you, giving salaries purpose means what? Daily doing job, you have to focus your career also, okay. Daily doing job is the one of the responsibility, it is a mandatory task. but at the same time, while doing your duty, then you have to focus your career, how you are performing, how you are learning, how you are doing your work daily, depend on your all things. That is performance will be dependent. You will have a bright future, right? So this is the see workflow completed right now. Now come here, come with me right now. I will show you each and every one point. I'm going to read all things here. Okay, now come here, temperature settings. Temperature settings ranges. See what I am showing here, very clearly presentation I am giving, and it is going to record, and whoever engage give me comments also. Okay, positive way. Whatever you have doubt, let me say. Okay, patient warmer temperature settings. See here, these are the basic informations about the medical equipment. Because of see my engage live sessions, it is going to face the interviews. Okay, my live sessions purpose what, basic information you will get it. Number 1 point, number 2 point. Okay, you can give the user training to the hospital. Number third point, you can provide the services, you can do your services with your hands by getting proper knowledge through my live sessions. Okay, so multiple way you will get it in your life. That's why I'm giving informations. Okay, because of every experience I have prepared very clearly. These are the practical things. When you are doing job, then you will get a doubts also, then you will get a challenges also. Okay, in biomedical engineering we have a challenges. It's a challenging field. Because of every challenge means what, to take the patient caring. Okay, patient caring is the challenge in healthcare sector. Even COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 corona situation also, we face the pandemic situations and critical situations as a human being globally. Yes, so that's why today I'm giving me. So everybody, if you have as a human being, not only as a biomedical engineer, as a human being, we know very well, because of that is the great responsibility of our life. Okay, right, come to the point right now. I'm going to see here, show you temperature settings range. See here, patient warmer minimum. Okay, these are the basic parameters you have to keep in your mind, because of when you are facing the interviews. Okay, based on your questions, based on expert, they will ask you this in this way. Because of I am the one of the interviewer, so many engineers I'm going to ask, and I'm going to confirm the employees to take the. Okay, and come on, and ambient or standby. See here, 20 to 25 degree. Okay, and low, see here, 32 degrees, and medium 38 degrees, and high 43 degrees maximum. Okay, so patient temperature maintain 36 to 37.5. So these temperatures based on condition of the patient, which is critical, which is more critical, which is higher critical. Okay, based on that, doctor will decide. Because of doctor surgeons, they surgery done the patient. That's why they have a proper idea about the patient condition of the patient. As a doctor terminology, they will keep all things. Okay, technically, if you have any problem medical equipment, then as a biomedical engineer we have to be there and skillfully. Because of skilled engineer only recommended. So skills very very important. Skills may not get everything in the society. So that's why I'm creating in this live sessions very very passionate. So these are the fifth point, what, temperature settings range of the patient warmer. Here what I'm giving information, listen to carefully. These are the very valid informations. Now come here, types of patient warmer. See here, so you have to know, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Types of patient warmer. See here, number 1 point. See here, forced air warming system, most commonly used. This is one type of, okay, patient warmer. And radiant warmers we are using, that is patient baby purpose, we know very well. And conductive resistive warming mattress, and fluid and blood warmers. Okay, these are the different types of warmers available in the medical field. So now we are talking about the what, patient warmer, which is used for the after surgery patients. Understand what I'm saying here? I hope you are getting my voice. Yes, come on, let me go. Next point. And when to connect the patient. These are the very, very important, my dear engineer. Listen to carefully. Okay. While doing your duty, sometimes may not have opportunity as a senior engineer. So because of sometimes you have to attend individually, then you should know about the medical equipment. That's why try to engage my sessions definitely. And now come here. When to connect the patient. Okay. Patient warmer. Patient warmer, when to connect the patient. As a biomedical engineer we have to know. And actually this equipment mostly operated by the nursing staff and ICU technicians. Okay, These are the main mandatory. But basic things, so we have to give the instructions to the equipment user, technicians, ICUs, equipment technology. Okay, based on that, then what will happen? Problem will reduce, and they can operate easily the equipment, and patient will be safe, and we will provide the instant services very clearly, right? Because of it's our basic responsibility. What? To provide the instant services to the healthcare sectors as a biomedical engineer. Okay, by using our updated technical skills. Now come here. I'm going to read out now. It is going to zoom right now. It is visible right now. I hope. See, when to connect the patient. See here. Number 1 point: before anesthesia, pre-warming. Okay, these are the very very important point. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. My dear students, my dear engineers, when to connect the patient? Number 1 point: before anesthesia, pre-warming. Number 2 point: during surgery, especially see here, greater than 30 minutes, and after surgery in recovery room or ICU, in hypothermia or low body temperature cases, in long duration procedures. Okay, these are the mostly available in where? Recovery room and ICU and operation theater. This equipment is very very most essential part in the area. Okay, so I hope you got it. When to connect the patient right now, these are the points, so keep in your mind. Okay, now seven points I have completed, and now come here. Why recommend after surgery? Okay, see, these are all types of information after doing my job. Okay, after getting my experiences, because of, see, every medical equipment, same complaint may not come in our hospital. Okay, in any hospital. Okay, by if you are working in years of experience. I have worked in a medical field 18 years. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 years of experience in different corporate hospitals and private hospitals and government projects I have worked. So that's why, based on my that, many engineers I have focused, and many engineers I have given the instructions, so they will have a bright future, right? That's why, see here, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Why recommend after surgery patient warmer? Okay, listen to carefully, my dear engineers. Now, why prevents, see, hypothermia and reduces shivering and discomfort, okay, and decreases risk of cardiac complications and helps in faster recovery and improves patient comfort and outcomes. For this purpose, we recommend for after this surgery. Okay, I hope you are getting right now. These are the points, gunshot points, which is important to lead your life, right? And practically think it, because the practical life is very very important in biomedical engineering. Now come here. Patient warmer. This patient warmer duration of usage. See, connect continuously during surgery and in recovery period, and typically duration 30 minutes to several hours as required by the patient condition. See, so for this purpose, see, we do not have any particular timing. Until recover the patient, we can connect the patient warmer to the patient, right? To recovery purpose, until recovery we can connect the patient. So that's very nice. Yes or no? So see, 30 minutes to minimum 30 minutes to several hours. Several hours means we cannot give the proper time, because of based on condition of the patient, doctor will decide, if needed, then definitely connect the patient right now. Okay, so duration of the use, this one. Now come here, 10th point. My dear engineers, these are the 10th point, very very important for every biomedical engineering purpose. These points are very very important. Okay, because of, in our duty time, we have to provide the services, and we have to do the works, and we have to make it working condition every medical equipment, as a biomedical engineering. Okay, so these all things, if I say, then you can be confirm, and you can be clarity about your doubts about the medical equipment. Today what I'm discussing, patient warmer. Now come here, what are the, see here, troubleshooting. So every time, every live sessions, I have given the explanation about the troubleshooting. Okay, problem, causes, solution. Okay, so these are the very very important, because of every biomedical should become a problem solver, technical engineer. Okay, that is the very very important. See, daily if you do your duty, you will finish the work, that is only okay. But don't do your duty not only for money. Okay, money is the basic life in our human life, but you have to focus on skills. That's why I'm trying to give you all skills, based on my experiences. Based on the skills, you can do your work successfully, right? Come on, come to the point. Let me say what are the things, troubleshooting purpose here. Is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Is it clear my voice? Is it visible my presentation right now? Let me continue. Come on. Yes. Yes, come on. See here, troubleshooting of the patient warmer. Problem, possible cause, check or action. See, point wise, I'm going to explain and I'm going to tell you, then you can understand the concept of the patient warmer. Okay. Now, see here. Problem, see here, no power. This is the problem whenever you get a complaint from the technician and hospital department, then don't get panic. Don't be overconfident and don't escape from there. Okay, and don't approach wrong persons if you don't know that equipment. Okay, wrong persons means whoever not have skilled engineer, so that those person don't approach that critical area. Okay, now what have to do, I'm going to say, please listen to carefully. These are the valuable points I'm going to say here right now. Yes, come on. Problem what? No power. Then possible cause what? What may be problem? Power cord and fuse outlet. Okay, this is the problem. If not working, if not power on, no power on means power cord fuse may be problem or outlet may be problem. Then check action what? Check power cable, outlet and fuse. How to check the power supply, power cord? So for that purpose, multimeter is the very important for every biomedical engineer. Okay, because of for every biomedical purpose, multimeter is the basic point, basic ethics. You should know the what is the functions, everything. I have given the proper live session 2 hours for multimeter. You can go to my channel and watch it. Definitely will be a perfect. Okay, whoever want to become a technical engineer, for that purpose this multimeter is very important. Okay, technical, or if you want to survey long term, multimeter is the basic point. To diagnosis, to repairing, to replacing the component purpose, these all things purpose, multimeter is the best point of the biomedical engineer. Okay, first point completed. Now troubleshooting, second point, see here, no airflow. Okay, no airflow. See, whenever you get a complaint, catch the point and communicate with the hospital techno. What is the problem? Yes. See, these all things. Why I'm saying, if you know these all things, then without waste of time, you can approach. You can find out the issues and you can resolve the issues within less time. That is the power of the biomedical engineering. Okay, right. So these all informations. When you get a complaint, don't get panic and try to keep in your mind these all things. What I'm saying here, definitely will have a bright future as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right. Come on. No airflow troubleshooting. See here, filter blocked, hose disconnected and a blower fault. Okay, so no air means what will come, what problem will be there. Then again, directly don't open the equipment. Okay, first of all you have to do the troubleshootings. After you did the troubleshooting, it may not getting in working condition, then you have to check it one by one, whatever the things you have to do it. Okay, right. Come on. So no airflow, and see here, possible cause what, my dear engineers? Filter blocked, hose disconnected, blower fault. Okay, these are the problem maybe. Then what to do? Check filter, hose and blower. Okay, see, because of based on error will come, those what are the errors I'm going to say here. Then these are the, as a practical way I'm giving instructions, because of I'm very interested to provide you valuable trainings to all engineers. So we know nowadays we not have time, because of we are leading top level category state regional managers, so that is the different responsibilities. So that's why wherever you are working, all people, please engage my live sessions. You will get a great knowledge. At the end of the day, you will become a success in your life. Because of today, I have achieved my life. That's why today I'm capable to give you all information. Okay. Now come to the point right now. See here, low airflow troubleshooting. See here, low airflow troubleshooting of patient warmer. Low air. See, I'm going to zoom here. See, low air, filter dirty, hose kinked, and air inlet blocked. Okay, these problems may be happen. Okay, because of analysis is very important. That is the difference between senior engineer getting high salary, junior engineer having less in compared to senior, it is less salary. Okay, that why? Because of skills are important, and that is seniority is different. That's why to become a senior purpose, if you know these all things, definitely will become a senior in your work area. Okay, by doing your job, by performing your work, then will be decide you are the senior or junior. We can find out. Yes. Now come here. Filter dirty, hose kinked, air inlet blockers here. Troubleshooting problem cause. Then check action. What to do as a biomedical engineer? Clean or replace filter and check hose. Okay, these are the very simple things you have to focus, because of Sometimes what happen, if you diagnose, if you find out the issue very clearly, then without replacing any spare parts, major spare parts, we can do resolve the issues. That is the major trick of the biomedical engineering. That is the reason I'm going to give you all information. Okay. So patient monitor troubleshooting. See here now, till now what I have explained, these all 3 points completed. Now come here, not heating. Okay. So see, these all complaints you may not receive at a time. Multiple times you may get different complaints. That's why I'm saying here today I'm sharing more information about knowledge, because of based on my multiple types of experiences and multiple types of breakdown attended and resolving as a biomedical engineer, as a senior biomedical engineer, what we faced and resolve the issues. So those things if I share with you all, then definitely will get a success in your life, right? Come on. Not hitting means, sir, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital because of you're not available every time in ICU, yes or no, you have to take care about the all medical equipment, whatever available in the hospital area, you are the complete responsible, like 1000 equipment, 2000 equipment, some lakhs of equipments also will be there. Okay, but you are working in one hospital, then you should take care responsibility as a biomedical engineer. That's why every monitoring is very, very important. So now I'm giving all information. These are pin-to-pin information is going to helpful and very useful in your work area, right? I hope you are getting my voice. Yes, come on. I'm going to slow. Then you can understand right now. See here, not heating. See here, troubleshootings. Troubleshooting. See here, heat fault, temperature setting low, and check heater set temperature. Okay. So not heating means what? What may be causes? Because why I'm saying, because of some minor issues, so we can find out. We can issues resolve the issues. Okay. That is the reason I'm giving information. All things. Then you can understand. Okay. Because of patient safety is first priority. Patient precautions is very important. And what I'm giving safety precautions, try to involve and try to be perfect in your work area, right? Now come here. So what problem will be there? Check heater set and temperature. Okay. Next, high temperature alarm. When troubleshooting problem coming, see here, causes what will be there? Patient warmer, overheating, or air outlet blocked. Okay, blocked. Or what will do? What action needed? Check blanket and hose and filter. Okay, these are the minor things you have to find out. That's why before opening the medical equipment, then you have to do the troubleshooting, operating settings, and minimum common sense knowledge we have to apply on the medical equipment. Okay, and that's why before touching you have to check it. Then if you needed to open the equipment, then you have to ask the permission to the technician. And there will, because of a patient kind of waiting for the medical equipment, that's why we have to give the information to the hospital management before opening the equipment. Okay, right, come on. I hope you are listening right now. Please listen to carefully. And let me finish right now. Every point I'm going to say, because of pin to pin, I'm going to say here. I have fixed about the live sessions, right? Now come here, temperature fluctuation. See here, temperature fluctuation. See here. I hope it is visible right now. See here, troubleshooting. See here, temperature fluctuation problem. Okay, sensor fault, possible causes, poor connections, and then what action needed? Check sensor and connections. Okay, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Try to take it professional. And display error. See here, problem possible cause what? Internal electronic circuit fault, and restart if continuous service required. Okay, that's why small things you have to follow, because of small things it give the best performance. Okay, one way, and small mistakes it give the biggest problem. Okay, that's why every time should be alert. And what I'm saying here, try to involve and try to practice all things. Okay, now successfully completed what? Troubleshooting of the patient warmer, right? Okay, next with me, 11th point I will show you right now. See here, which is the important point. See, as a senior biomedical engineer, these are the points I'm going to give the instructions to all biomedical engineers who may not have idea about the medical equipment. If you have idea, then try to interest and what are the important points I'm going to share here. Definitely, it is very, very valuable in for life, right? Yes, come on. Now, seriously listen, as a biomedical, see what I'm giving here presentation. Those all points, gunshot points, without waste of time, because of we have to give the best performance and we have to do the services multiple types of equipments as per day. Understand? That's why I'm giving here. Let me say technical errors. What are the technical errors of the patient warmer? Okay, patient warmer. See, technical errors you have to keep in your mind. These are the basic problem and these are the regular problem, not problems. Okay, very rare conditions. These are the problems coming. Whenever you get a problem, then you have to be confident and you have to be a knowledgeable and skillful engineer. Okay, then you can resolve. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. What are the technical errors of the what patient warmer? Let me say one by one. Sensor error and heater overheat and blower failure, airflow obstruction and temperature calibration error and communication error and system over temperature. Okay, these technical errors may not come in your daily life. Understand? These are the very rare condition. These problems will come. For that purpose, you have to do the preventive maintenance, and how to do, what not to do. Everything I will go to give the explanation in this live session. In this presentation, multiple topics I'm going to show you, and many topics add experience, like experience points also I'm going to share here, and technical parts also I'm going to show internal parts of the patient warmer. Then you can understand and you will be clarity about the medical equipment that is patient warmer, right? Let me say continue. Let me go 12th point. See here, point wise I have bring for you because of you can understand very clearly without confuse. Now come here. As a biomedical engineers, many more engineers are asking, sir, if equipment not working, what to do, sir? Please tell me, sir. So regular basis, I'm giving the instructions to the junior staff, everyone, because of that's my great responsibility. That is my job. Okay, right? Come on. Let me say here. Listen to carefully and take a paper and write down. And by listening my voice and by engaging my live sessions, you can get a great knowledge. Okay, without waste of time. Because of nowadays we are watching many YouTube and social media, whatever it is. But these are the very very important skills. If you paid lot of money, also you may not get this type of information in the society. That much challenges I can give because of for this purpose dedication is very very important. Okay, I'm giving my valuable contribution without expecting anything. So listen to carefully. Now, if not working, then what to check it? Patient warmer. Okay, listen to carefully. I'm going to say here. I'm going presentation. See here, it is visible right now. Power supply and cable if not working time. Okay, and power supply and cable and fuse and circuit breaker and air filter cleaner replace and hose connections and blockages and temperature setting, alarm messages and sensor connections and internal fuse or PCB, and call service engineer if required. Okay, so call service engineer is if required. We are the engineers. Why need to call the service engineer? Yes, that's why if you follow one by one, step by step, if you do, definitely you will become a service biomedical engineer. You are the expert. Okay. For that purpose, if you want to grow your skills, if you want to know more things, that time you have to dedicate your valuable time to provide the services. Okay. Right. If not working, then what to check it? These are the points. See, listen to carefully. These are the points I'm giving, basic points. So if equipment not working condition after you practice, after you done the all troubleshootings and everything, then if still if it is not working, then you have to check these points, and based on this one by one you have to check it by using multimeter. What are the components are there? What are the parts are there? How it working? Everything you have to use by patience, because of diagnosis is the very biggest challenge in every biomedical engineering. Okay, because of nowadays what happened, many engineers completed degrees and diplomas and qualifications successfully, but very rare engineers are settled in biomedical engineering is a successful rate. Understand? Successful rate means what? Top level category. Okay, top level category, because of see, you are a today you are a biomedical engineer, tomorrow you should become a senior biomedical engineer within less time. Okay, everything is possible whenever you keep efforts in a possible way. Definitely you will get it. Okay, for positive and aspirations, inspirations, I'm going to build up in your mind. That's why I'm giving instructions in this way. Okay, Ganesh sir explanation always definitely excellent because of real-time hospital experience and face. That's why. See here. Now come here, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. Every point I'm going to share here. My presentation. I hope you are interested. Now, 13 points here. Regular problems. Understand? Listen to carefully. Regular problems. These are things. That's why if you do the preventive maintenance, if you observe very clearly, then that equipment may not coming complaints regularly. Okay, that's why if you know these all things as a biomedical engineer, then you can give the instruction to the hospital management, and you can give the user training to the hospital. Then you can then they can understand how to use the equipment and what are the importance of the medical equipment. They know, they come to know very well. Yes, so that's why as a part of our responsibility as a biomedical engineering, these all things if you should know, and at the same time you should give the services to the hospital, right? And see here, it is visible right now my presentation right now. Yes, here, my students, are you listening? I hope you are listening because of YouTube channel. See now 12 lakhs public reach means I'm going to record in my live session. See here, what are the regular problems of patient warmer? Okay, so what are the regular problems will be there? Filter blocking, air hose disconnection, low or no airflow, and high temperature alarm, and temperature not maintained, display not working, and sensor error, unusual noise from blower. Okay, for this purpose, once see equipment, this one thrice, okay, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly we can do the preventive maintenance as per the schedule. Okay, preventive maintenance is the very important to maintain the reliability of your services. Understand? So that's why these are the regular problems. So that's why if you not provide the good services in the right way, then you will get regular problems in this way. Okay, so what I'm saying, try to focus and try to keep in your mind, and try to implement in your work area. Definitely will become a biomedical engineering as a expert by engage my live sessions. If you become a biomedical engineer, that is the great challenges and great achievement in my life, right? Now come here, 14 points here. Manufacturers of the patient warmer. Okay, I'm going to say because of what type of warmers, because of, see, I'm giving here information. So whoever engage my live sessions as a human being, so many engineers, so many people may have some issues and surgeries sometime. What are the equipment using, what are the important, then if you engage my live sessions, definitely will get a great information about the patient warmer. What is the best equipment, then you can find out. Okay, now see here, I'm going to read out now what are the manufacturers of the patient warmer examples here. Bayer Hugger, okay. Bayer Hugger, TM Healthcare, and Stryker, okay, under Stryker, and Arjo Mistral Air, and Medtronic Covidient, and Smith's Medical Level 1, and Advanced Medical Solutions AMS, and Natus Medical, and GE Healthcare Care Station Warming. Okay, these are the best top medical equipments provided patient warmer equipment. So then you can choose it. Okay, but many corporate areas I have found Bayer Hugger. I have found it's a very excellent, and it's going to be a biggest performance. Okay, right? Come on, these are the 14 point I have explained very clearly. See here in my live sessions, I'm going to interact with you all people as a practical man, as a human being. I'm going to give you instructions. But I'm giving instructions. Those are things very important in your life and very necessary to all biomedical engineers. Understand? Right, come on. Key parameters. What are the key parameters of patient warmer? So every point I'm going to explain, I'm going to show you because a pin-to-pin point is very important to know the biomedical engineering services purpose. Okay. Right, come on, let me say what I'm saying. Listen to carefully and keep watch my session. We'll get it. Now come on, it is visible right now. Key parameters of the patient warmer. Say set temperature, first one. Okay, next airflow rate, LPM or CFM. Next patient temperature is important, and heater output, and alarms limits, and system status, and operation mode. Okay, operation mode means what? Low, medium, high. That is the different modes based on condition of the patient. Then based on the temperature, that is going to apply the key parameters. Okay, parameters are very important. What are the parameters available in the patient warmer? So these are the things, mostly parameters which is available, which is display on the display unit. Okay, now come here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying. These are the very important points what I'm giving here. Okay, see, I'm giving these all things not theoretical. These are the practical things. I'm giving instructions, pin to pin. I'm giving support and I'm giving informations. Okay, my dear engineers, my dear students. Now come here. I want to show you right now. See here, main parts and functions. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, see what I'm giving instructions. Whenever you get a complaint, however you get a complaint in hospital, you cannot imagine. That's why every information you should catch and you should store everything in your mind. Understand? Because of hospital recruited what skilled engineer coming days, very demand and very recommended in the society. That's why I'm giving in this way live sessions. Okay, I want to increase the biomedical engineers capacity. I'm giving instructions here, but when you are going to practice in your way, when you open the equipment, when you touch the equipment, when you practice, and when you do all things, then only will become a biomedical engineer. Okay. So as a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. Here, main parts and functions of the patient warmer. Okay. but I'm taking patient warmer purpose multiple way. I am okay. I'm circulating and I try to give you proper notes. Whoever engage my live sessions, definitely you will have a bright future, right? Yes, come on. Main parts and functions see here of patient warmer. Number 1 point C, control panel. Okay, control panel. So this is the main part, control panel. What will do? Set temperature, mode and view parameters. This is the very important main function, main part, because of without this we cannot imagine, we cannot give the confirmation of the patient treatment. Yes, right. Now see here blower. Next main part what? Blower. Blower wall. See, blower what will do? Draws and circulates air. Okay, it provides the air pressure. Understand? Right. See here, air filter removes dust and contaminants. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. What I'm saying here, and try to listen what all things. Okay, come on. Hose, see here. Third point, heater heats the incoming air, and air filter, see, main parts, and I'm giving functions also. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. These all things, see, if you not understand, then again and again, multiple time try to watch my session. Definitely very valid points I'm giving here, right? Come on. Next, see here, hose delivers warm air to blanket, okay? And warming blanket distributes warm air to the patient. Number seventh point, see here, it is visible right now, I hope. See here, temperature sensor monitor temperature, okay? And alarms alerts for fault safety. These are the main functions, parts, and see, main parts of the patient warmer and functions. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, let me go another point. Thank you. Now come here. Next point I'm going to show here. This is the block diagram of the what? Patient warmer. Okay. This is the very important topic I'm going to discuss here. Block diagram, see here. For your knowledge purpose, as a biomedical engineer, you have to go in this way. Understand? Because of see, proper notes, proper learning, right way, implementation, right way, performance, dedication. Never you fall down. If you fall down also, you will get up, you can grow your career. Understand? So that's how, if you want to grow your career purpose, I'm giving these all valid points sharing here, right? Now come here, I want to show you what is the block diagram of concept of the patient warmer, right? Listen to carefully. Now see here, this by seeing this block diagram, you can understand the concept of the patient warmer. See, this is the small equipment when you compare a ventilator like that. But here patient warmer, because of see, every equipment is very valuable because of every equipment giving different performance based on condition of the patient. That's why I'm saying based on our organs, what we have in our body, every technology we have, that much science technology we are living in the society, right? Yes, come on. Now let me show you what is the block diagram of the patient warmer. See here, everything. If you see this block diagram, then you can understand what are the points mentioned here, because of these are the simple language I have given presentation here. See, and but again, I'm going to read out, because of if I'm reading, then you can hear my voice. Then you can be confirmed. Then you will be clarity. Because why I'm talking, because of you. If you think yes, senior biomedical engineer is going to give the live sessions, it is very interesting. So it's very useful, and it is going to create the big trustable society, right? Come on. Now AC power supply first of all. Next we have power supply unit. Okay. Next what? See here, control board, microcontroller, and heating element, and blower, fan, hose, and warming. Next patient. Okay. Here control only what? Display and control panel. They are only functioning, and temperature sensor feedback also. Here only controlling board only we have to monitoring, and airflow here. See, very simple way concept, simple, but inside components I will show you. Internal parts of the patient warmer I will show you what are the things are there, what are the important points I'm going to show here right now in this slide presentation only. You can get it very clear right now. Yes, come on, this is the block diagram of the patient warmer. Now come here, Engage with me right now what I'm saying here. My dear engineers, listen to carefully. See, I'm giving presentation means these all points as an experienced engineer. If you're working with senior engineers, definitely the senior engineer can help you. Okay. So nowadays, what happened? Many responsibilities coming and lots of complaints receiving from the hospital. So that's why so many maximum engineers, senior engineers are busy to perform their work to provide the services. That's why every engineer also should become a good biomedical engineer. That's why I'm providing here valid information. What? See, many people because sir, I'm a junior, sir. I don't have any idea, sir. Yet, how many days you are saying like that? Yes. If you are a junior, then you should learn and you should focus more than seniors. That's why I'm giving instructions. Okay. Right. Come on. Now see here. Come to the point right now. Patient warmer, engineers, PMS and calibrations performance. Okay. These are the very important and recommend point that is preventive maintenance. How to do, what to do. I told you. Now I'm going to explore here. Listen to carefully right now. Right? Come on. Next PMS here, preventive maintenance schedule see here. Okay. Preventive maintenance schedule time, what to do, what not to do, I'm going to say, and what needed, what recommended points I'm going to share here. Please listen to carefully and watch my session right now. Okay. Right. Come on. Because of as a biomedical, if you do the services, then not only stickering on the medical equipment. Okay. That is not a biomedical engineering performance. What are the performance? What are the required? I will show you. I'm going to read out now. Please listen to carefully. Preventive maintenance number 1 point. See here. Visual inspection, cable, case, hose, blanket. We have to check it all things. When you go to the, when you are doing the PMS on medical equipment, that equipment you have to observe what? Visual inspection, cable, case, hose, blanket about the patient warmer. Okay. Now come here. And cleaning, see here, cleaning or replace air filter. And see here, check blower, operational and noise, and check heater output, and check temperature accuracy, and check alarms, high temperature, sensor fault, etc. And electrical safety test and functional test with load and record all readings. Okay, these are the very mandatory recommending points while doing the preventive maintenance of the patient warmer. Okay. So when see here, I want to give the advice. If it is not working equipment, don't try to do the PMS because of if not working equipment, that time PMS not applicable that equipment. Okay. Then what to do? Then you have to take the proper priority of that equipment and try to resolve. If it is possible, resolve, then resolve, and then do the performance on medical equipment, that is PMS. Okay. Because of if it is not working condition, we should not do the PMS and should not applicable that equipment. Because of equipment not working means we cannot do the perform preventive maintenance, right? And by doing preventive maintenance, we can find out the issues and we can track the equipment and we can provide the services and we can improve the services and reliability of our regular performance. Yes. Right, come on. Now, preventive maintenance, I can see here, check blower, operation and noise, and check heater output, and check temperature accuracy, check alarms, high temperature, sensor fault, etc., and electrical safety test, and functional test with load, and record all recordings, okay, readings. These are the very important points before doing the preventive maintenance as a biomedical engineer. These are the very important, okay. Right, come on. Because of as a biomedical, you should know whenever when you get a problem, we don't know, we cannot expect at any situations. If you are followed the instructions, at the end of the day you will be safe and you will be a best performer in biomedical engineering services. Yes. Come on. Now calibration, see here. Here it is visible right now. When come to the see patient warmer, we are discussing what? Patient warmer. Verify temperature accuracy with calibrated thermometer and adjust as per service manual, and verify alarms limits and document and label. Okay. What is the difference between preventive maintenance and calibrations? See, preventive maintenance is everything, repairing, servicing, everything. It is going to check it all things and what are the spares are available. If spare parts and equipment condition good or not, everything we have to check it and we have to clean the equipment. Yes. And calibration, what? When we consider the parameters, what are the parameters available in that medical equipment? Those parameters continuously we connect the patient to the patient monitoring purpose. Those parameters accurate purpose we have to calibrate the medical equipment by using the master test equipment. Okay, master calibration equipments, that is the different, that is very expensive. Okay, by using these performance we can maintain the good reliability of our services, all medical equipments. Okay, that is the great responsibility of biomedical engineer, right? I hope is it clear very clearly. Do you know what I have explained? You got it? Yes. Come on. See, now what I'm going to share with you all, these are the very important points. These points not available in any other area. Okay. If it is available also, nobody ready to give you because of nowadays competitive society. Everyone want to be pushed. That's why nobody have time and nobody ready to support. But I'm not a way. I'm a unique person. That's why I'm trying to come in this way. I try to give the valuable information in my live sessions. Right? Yes, come on. Now come here, my dear engineers, my dear students, whoever engage my live sessions, listen to carefully. Right? Come on. Now safety precautions are very, very important. Every medical equipment have a unique safety precautions we should know as a biomedical engineers. Because of we have to protect ourselves and we have to protect the equipment and we have to protect the patient and we have to protect the hospital staff. Yes, that's why we have skilled engineer. Whenever complicated, whenever you're getting a problem, then you have to implement on that things, all on the skills. Then you have to come and you have to resolve the issues and you have to overcome the problem from your location. That's why I'm giving instructions. If you engage my live session, definitely will get a great information, sir, at the end of this session. Right? Come on. That's why I'm saying masterclass because of see a lot of information I'm going to share here. These are the valid points I'm giving here. Very, very important. Okay? Right. Come on. Now, what are the safety precautions? I'm going to read out now. Safety precautions of the patient warmer. These are the very, very important because sometimes if you're not taking if you not follow safety precautions, then you will get a problem. Right? So that's why prevention is better than cure. That's why every biomedical engineer should be know about the safety precautions. Now I'm going to show here and I'm going to read out now safety precautions of the patient warmer. See, do not block air inlet or outlet. Okay, first point. And do not use with wet blanket and use only approved disposal blankets. Okay, check temperature before connecting and do not place near flammable anesthetics and regular check alarms and use grounded power outlet and follow IFU instructions for use. Very, very important. These are the safety precautions because of it's very, very important to protect the patient and to protect the equipment also, and we should be protect ourselves also. Okay, I hope you are getting right now. Right, come on, let me go. Next point, because of lot of points, I bring it for you. Every point I'm going to show you, and which are necessary to all biomedical engineers. That is only I'm going to explain here. I'm not waste of my time because of these are the valuable informations and many engineers are recommended and many engineers are asked me. That's why I bring it to you. These all types of concepts to make you understand, right? And whoever interested, please try to subscribe my channel and try to engage daily live sessions 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Right? Come on. And how to maintain reliability of services. These are the very, very important. See, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. How to maintain, see, because as a biomedical engineer, every engineers are working well, okay, but performance is different. Understand? So to maintain the reliable, proper longevity, okay, longevity of your services performance. What are the things important? I'm going to read out now. Listen to carefully, okay. So, how to maintain reliability of services of patient warmer, regular PMS, and use genuine accessories and filters, and proper cleaning and disinfection, and timely calibration, and train staff for correct operation, and keep environment clean, and main service record. Okay, maintain service record. See, these all informations I'm giving me, so that is the main reason behind of this mystery. Okay, why I'm giving? Because of see operating wrong handle also. If you're not handling properly the medical equipment, that is major problems will come. If you know the skills, then you can operate and you will be safe. That is my intention. Everybody should have a proper knowledge about the biomedical equipment. As a citizen of the society, I'm giving information. Try to listen. Okay. Now come here, summary of this presentation. See here, and coming this slide only internal parts and many points I'm going to share here. Try to engage and should be keep watch my channel. Okay, let me continue. Let me finish this topic. Summary, see here, patient warmers are essentially for maintaining normothermia, improving patient outcomes and preventing hypothermia related complications. Proper use, maintenance, and recalibration ensure safety reliability and long life of the equipment. Completely summary of the equipment. What? These are the points and try to keep in your mind what I'm said here. Okay, is it clear right now? Yes. Come on. Let me go. A few topics are there. I'm going to maximum topics I have explained here. So successfully, I have completed this slide presentation. Here, ideal patient temperature. What should be there? 36 point. See, 36 to 37 point temperature is the minimum temperature, normal temperature of the patient warmer. Okay. Please keep in your mind what I'm saying here. And till now, see here, 9 o'clock I have started, and now 10, 11, almost 1 hour completed. In this 1 hour, I have completed this slide presentation by giving explanation, by adding real-time hospital experiences in such a way, proper notes I have explained here, right? Now come here. Next, so I hope you got it very clearly. What points I have covered here? Patient warmer. So these are the things as a biomedical engineer. First of all, you should know the equipment and definition, working principle, and operation. In this way, you have to collect it. You have to focus. Okay, learning process is the in this way. Then only you will become a success. You will get a learn and you will keep remember. Right now, come on, come with me. I will show you. Right next PPT slide. See here. This is the second slide presentation. I'm going to show here patient warmer internal view. Okay. As a biomedical engineer, you may not have that much opportunity to open the equipment because of hospital is busy and equipment not free. So that time not possible to open the equipment. Yes. So that's why I'm going to show here because of basically basic things. If you know, then you come to know and you can do the performance. Then you may be interested and you will be clarity about the services of the biomedical engineering. Okay. For your awareness purpose, for lakhs of people watching my channel and lakhs of people also more engaging in coming future. Definitely, I will have a bright future. I think because of today, I'm giving valuable information to all people. So whoever following definitely will have a bright future. Okay. Today you are a junior, of course, and one day you will become a senior. Then you should be a capable about the biomedical engineering services. That is the reason today I'm giving all information in my live sessions. Okay, right? Come on. Now see patient warmer internal view. See here, electrical, electronics, and technical component view. See here. These are things. Now I'm going to explain here. What are the things here? These are the things I'm going to explain, and I'm going to show you all unique parts. And while do your duty, these are the very important. Then these are the challenges. Every challenges, if you know the skills, then it is going to change the opportunity in your life. Opportunity not easy come in your life. Before you have to keep efforts in a possible way. You have to do the works. Lot of things in my life. Lot of things. I did a hard work. I have struggle in my life. That's why today I'm capable to give you all information. Okay. Now come here, internal electrical electronic components. What are the there? Component view about the patient warmer. It is look like see here. Okay, is it visible right now? Let me continue. These are the valid points. These are the first point I have explained here. Now come here, internal view, main unit open. I'm going to show you what are the components. I'm going to read out because of which are the label parts here. By seeing this picture, you can find out. Okay. See, if you take any make model, that will be different. But what are the basic components? Definitely, these are the basic components for every medical equipment. That is patient warmer. Okay. Make manufacture that is going to changes. Features will be changed. But these are the basic thing to functioning purpose. Okay. Right. Come on. I hope you are listening right now. And whoever engaged my session, please give me comment in my live sessions in positive way. Right, come on, let me say. Internal view, main part, see here. First point, control PCB main board. Okay. So what are the point? What are the board? How look like? You have to see. Okay. Because of repairing is the next session. Because of to find out the what is the part and what are the when you open the equipment, then you have to find out the what is the part and what is the functions. Everything you should be clarity. Then only you can diagnose the issues. Then only you are capable to provide the services. Okay. Because of see, biomedical engineering is the ocean. If you want to learn, many things are there. Okay, everybody, sir, nobody giving instructions, sir, nobody giving like advices, sir, nobody supporting, sir. Why do you think like that? Okay, so think about yourself. If you are really interested, definitely everything in front of you only. And now extra knowledge, my live sessions coming here, definitely it will support you in your life right now. Okay, and whoever interested, whoever dedicated, for those persons only, it is very useful channel. Okay, students, listen to carefully. Let me continue. See here, control PCB main board, and see display PCB board and power supply SMPS and heater assembly and blower fan, and see everything labeled very clearly. If you see this image, then you can understand, you can get a point very clearly, right? What I'm saying here, okay? Now come here. So these are the points very clearly I mentioned here. You can understand. For your basic knowledge purpose, I am giving instructions. These are the very important. Now come here, everything labeled parts here. What are the parts here? What are the functions? Because of say, if you get a complaint to patient murmur, any problem will be there. Okay. As a biomedical engineer, any problem will be there. You have to find out, you have to resolve, you have to replace the issues, spare parts. At the end of the day, you are the final decision maker of the medical equipment. That's why proper interest, proper learning skills are very important. That's why try to improve and try to grow your skills. Then only you will have a bright future in biomedical engineering services. That's why I'm giving here. Okay, right, come on. Heater assembly, and see blower fan and air temperature sensor and overheat cutoff thermal fuse and air filter, hose connector, power input socket with fuse and earth connections and wiring harness and connections here. Why I am giving these all informations here in my presentation? Have you got my point? Why? Because of these are problems at any situations it will become. Okay, sometimes fan will problem, sometimes what happen blower will be problem, sometimes board will be problem. Okay, that's why always I give recommend, please use the equipment in UPS connections. Okay, uninterrupted power supply, because of whenever power gone fluctuations high and low, then equipment get damages, then you need to open the medical equipment, this one like this. Okay, so when you open the equipment, then you have to be alert and you have to be a skilled engineer knowledge. That's why today I'm giving here, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. So these are the main parts open, and come here. Electronics PCB close view. See here. This is the board. See, that's why I'm saying electronic components are, see, these are the DC. Okay, these are the specifications, not high voltages. These are the very low voltages electronics components based on engineering principle placed on that board. Okay, that's why in every medical equipment, what is the main important? SMPS is the very important part. Depend on equipment, depend on specifications, it is going to vary, but it is converting AC to DC, converting regulated power supply. Okay, so depend on condition of the equipment, that is going to change the what AC to DC, converting the DC voltages, going to connect the active components C to activate the all components C here, resistor, capacitor, transistor, chips. See here, all types of that. That's why you should be perfect electronic components also. Okay, for electronic components purpose, I have provided the very excellent live session previous time. Okay, go to my channel and check my all sessions, definitely you will get it. Okay, right, come on. See here, let me see a PCB see here, and microcontroller, it is visible right now. Electronics PCB close view I'm going to say, and I'm going to show here, because of for your knowledge purpose, very basic information is very important to all biomedical engineers. Understand? Right, come on. Microcontroller and temperature sensor input. See, these are the label parts here. Everything label. When you see the presentation, then you can understand. And display connector, see here. Fan driver output and heater control SSR. Okay. Next, alarm buzzer output and power output. Okay. Power input. These are the main board, main complete view. And see, depend on make model, it will be vary, but ultimately working principle what to provide the to treatment means was giving temperatures by using this patient warmer to recover the patient purpose. That is the basic thing. But here what it changes depend on different principles, so different electronic knowledge, they are using the different features. That's why if you take another equipment, then it is going to changes. Then don't get panic. And what are the components? By seeing the components, you have to find out that much knowledge you should gain. That's your responsibility. Okay, for your knowledge purpose, for your awareness purpose, I'm giving here, because of in this way nobody give you, right? Come on, try to catch my points what I'm saying here. Now see here, display points here, display 7 segment or LED display and control keys and indicator LEDs and buzzer, ribbon, cable, connector. Okay, because of see, 100 out of 100% you should be capable about your duty. That's why I'm giving instructions means everything is possible because of you are an engineer. Why you are expecting service engineer, right? That's why you are the engineer means you should be capable. You are not capable means you're that much capable you have to gain in your life and you have to perform if you are interested in biomedical engineering services, right? Right, come on. I hope you got it very clear right now in this session. So one by one, what I have explained, it is very useful or not? If it is useful, please listen to carefully because see here you are the listeners. I'm the speaker. I'm giving instructions because of based on experiences. You will get experience. Engage my live sessions. Understand? Sure. 100% can give the confident because of real-time hospital experiences I faced in my life. And today I'm relating state level regional manager. That is not easy. Okay. Very everything is complicated. When we are capable, then only everything opportunity come in our life. Then we should maintain. That's why see today I'm giving presentation means one day definitely very valuable platform in your life, right? Right. Come on. Let me continue right now. See here. So till now what I have explained internal parts, see here internal view maintain okay. Electronic PCB I have shown here for example purpose but try to make an understand purpose. Now come here. This is the internal part of the equipment. Then if you remove the spare parts look like see here. So part was also I am going to show here. See heater and blower assembly. Okay, this is the main heart of the patient warmer. Okay, without this, no patient warmer, no use at all. Okay, for every human purpose, which is the main part, heart is the very important. If one stop the heart, patient will die. Yes or no? Human will be die. So like that, this is the see here heater and blower assembly. This is the how look like blower because of different make model it is going to vary. Okay, but when you see the component, when you see the part, then you have to understand what is what and we can say. Okay, right, come on, let me see. First one see here heater element ceramic. Okay, air duct and blower fan and temperature sensor location and overheat cutoff and outlet to hose. Okay, these are the basic points of the heater and blower assembly. For your knowledge purpose, to awareness purpose, I am giving in here instructions. It is very useful in your life, I hope. Okay, now come here. So internal competency, why I'm showing here, actually, you may not have that much opportunity to open the equipment that much time also. So whenever possible, that time you are a luckiest person because of when you open the equipment, then only you will get a practical knowledge. Then only you come to know the valuables of the medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. That's why time taken process, getting experience is not easy to get in our life. That's why getting experience what whenever getting a complaint, then that is the great opportunity to open the equipment. If you're not open the equipment, then you may not clear about the parts inside of the equipment, then you may not be perfect. Yes. So here I am giving instructions in my presentation. Why? Because of if I giving presentation in this way, so many lakhs of engineers staying in the society of the as a society in globally. That's why I'm giving presentation. Definitely, it is very useful in your life. Okay. I'm the see performance giving me see in your life you should be a performer. Okay, every engineer biomedical engineering job is the individual performer problem solver activity job. Understand? Because of you have appointed as a biomedical engineer, you have selected as a skilled engineer. That's why you have to perform your duty. That is the great responsibility. If you are any complications, if any problems, then try to subscribe, try to engage my live sessions and subscribe my channel. Definitely many more informations I'm going to give you here. Okay, daily 9 p.m. I will be available here after done my duty time. Don't do anything and try to focus about your job and try to perform 100%. Okay, right, come on. Now let me say power supply SMPSC here, switch mode power supply. That's why I'm saying here what is the importance of the power supply. I'm going to show you because of these are the very important in your life. After you facing the problem, if you know these all things, so what is the use? Before facing the problem, if you know, then you can operate and you can provide the services and you can do perform and you can give the best performance. That is my intention as a state regional manager, right? Come on, BEMMP. Power supply SMPSC here, AC input, EMI filter and rectifier, higher frequency transformer and switching IC integrated circuits and output capacitor and DC output to main board. See, this is the SMPS board. When you see the PCB, this one PCB board, when you see the components, see electronic components, what are there, see here. Okay, these are the electronic components. So when you see the board, then you have to know what is a transformer, every components you have to know, and what are the functions, and what are the specifications. Based on the specifications of the equipment, then you can find out by using the, by reading the manuals, you can get it more information. That's why I'm giving advice before touching the equipment. If you are senior, if you're junior, that is not a matter. Okay, you have to read the manuals about that equipment before what you are going to provide the services, what you are going to check the equipment. For that purpose, proper manual is available in that area. Sometimes not available, then I will provide the manuals also, every equipment manuals also I will keep in my live sessions, and I'm going to read, and how to read, what are the things I'm going to show you in my live presentation, upcoming live sessions. Okay, so every way I'm going to give you, and see, engage my live sessions. At the end of the day, and at the end of this live session today, patient warmer informations I'm going to finish successfully. Okay, after watch my live engage live sessions, in my all live sessions, if you understand, subscribe my channel. At the same time, whatever you are expecting in my channel, if you're not available, then give the comment, then definitely I will make a proper video, proper live sessions in my way. Come on. Now, what are the accessories labels? See here. I'm going to show here. See, these are the basic informations for every biomedical engineer. That's why I'm dedicating this much time. Okay. Whenever you get a complaint, then you come to know, then that time I may not available in front of you, because of nowadays everyone busy. But I am also having a aim in my life. Every day, if I reach my aim, then I will keep aim and step to step grow in my life. As a biomedical engineer, we are the learners. Everyone, we should be learning new topics, and we should implement, and we should grow our career by following the instructions from the senior. Right? Come on, let me say accessories label of the patient warmer. See here. Number 1 point, warming blanket disposal. See here. These are the available. These are the provided by the hospital management only. That is going to charge by the patient only, right? And hose pipe. How look like? See here. Hose pipe, where from equipment to patient, it is the mediator connector of the connector. It is provided by, it is provided the blower, pressure, heating, everything through this pipe only, hose. Now see here, hose connector. This is the hose connector. How look like? See here, when you see the see, for your knowledge purpose, I'm showing here. Be alert and try to get it points whatever I'm saying here. Okay. Just air filter. See here. Air filter daily, weekly once you have to observe. If equipment completely using, regularly using, then you have to check it, and if it is needed, immediately need to replace the air filter, because of the, this is the major part, major functions of this equipment. Okay. Now power cord. Power cord is, we know very well, because of, without the power cord we cannot open the equipment, we cannot start the equipment, because of which is electrical basis. I'm saying, so those electricals come through the power cord, like this phase neutral earthing. Three connections should be there. We have to use 3-pin connector only. Okay, because sometimes fluctuations will come, and see, earthing should be below 5. You should understand. Okay, before touch the equipment, before you have to attend the call, then you have to check the first of all what electrical points. Very important. By using the multimeter, you have to check it, and one by one, then go slowly and do the work and perform. And if it is completed, then why reason coming, then if you're interested, definitely try to give the instructions to the hospital management. They will not repeat the complaint. Okay, because sometimes what happen, maximum they are not handling properly. So whoever, okay, technician may be there, and doctor will be there, and some engineers also there. Okay, because of, that's why whoever not handling properly, then what happen, equipment will get a damage. That's why, as a biomedical engineer, if you are getting proper knowledge about these skills, then definitely at the end of the day, you will give the instant services to the hospital services. Okay, right? Come on. Now see, maximum points I have explained here. Now schematic diagram, block diagram. See here. For your knowledge purpose, see here, service manual time. See, every equipment have a user manual. Okay, two types of manuals, three types of manuals. Okay, service manuals and user manual and technical manual. Also, three types of manuals are there, and everything available. See, is everything by getting experience only. You will get a knowledge with your seniors only. Okay, other persons not ready to give you. Other persons not capable to give you all instructions. That's why I'm giving information. Try to engage my live sessions. Okay, right? Come on. Here schematic diagram. See here, for your knowledge purpose, I'm giving instructions, and upcoming live sessions, pin to pin, I will take a point and will give the explanation. By engage my live sessions, you can do your job excellent, and definitely you will have a great performer. That much confidence I can give you. Right? Come on. Now let me show you schematic diagram, block diagram. See, these are all things we have studied in college time. You understand? So these are the points what educational studying time, SDBME, special diploma in biomedical engineering time, or BTech time, whatever you are doing, occasional course and IT course, technological course. For that purpose, these are the very very important to know and to focus all things. Okay. The schematic diagram, see here, block diagram. I'm going to show you for your understanding purpose. I hope a single visit you may not understand. I know, but multiple times try to visit and try to watch my sessions. Definitely will get a point. After watch my live sessions, you may not understand, then give me comment. Then whatever you have doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions. Before ending the session, I will engage with all like subscribers and followers whoever engage my live sessions. Okay, right? Come on. AC input 230 voltage AC 50 to 60 Hz. This one. Okay, and SMPS power supply and main control PCB microcontroller and display and keypad and heater SSRC here, how look like, everything for your knowledge purpose I'm giving here. Okay, and see, when you open the equipment, then you have to follow the schematic. Yes, AC input is there. Okay, next one by one. Yeah, then because of every component we are placed on that one track. Okay, one proper program will be there, not only simple placed on the equipment. See components, see here. Now see here, working AC power to SMPS to main board. Okay, control heater and blower and temperature sensor to feedback and maintain set temperature and safe and effective warming. Okay, see here, I'm showing here flow. See here, flow schematic diagram, this one. If you see this flow, working flow, see here, working AC power to SMPS, SMPS to main PCB, main PCB to control heater and blower, and blower to temperature sensor feedback and main function set temperature to safe and effective warming. Okay, completely these are the process while connecting the patient. Okay, I hope you it is very clear right now. Now see here, now here, why need to connect UPS? I'm going to show here. See, these are the important points. Biomedical engineers, I'm taking time, but these are the very valuable points. Understand? Come on. So I hope you are engaging in it. See here, patient warmer. Understand? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. See, 2 hours going to over, but I'm very energetic and be confident, and I'm giving informations. Okay, right? Come on. Why need to connect UPSC here? Sudden power failure can stop warming and cause hypothermia and ensures uninterrupted power operations during surgery and ICU, and protects electronics from voltage fluctuations and spikes, and alarms remain active during and power failure, and recommended online UPS 1 kVAr per load with the proper earthing. Okay, these are the very very important main UPS and patient warmer. This is the very very important, because of whenever get a power electrical issues, we don't know, we cannot imagine. That's why we have to protect the equipment by using the UPS connections. Okay, right? Come on. And real time hospital experience I want to share with you all. And till now what I have shared here, those are all different types of experience in my life as a biomedical engineering career. Okay, now I am very excited to give you all information because of 12 lakhs views giving my YouTube channel. That's the great platform. That is the very energetic for me. Now come here, real-time hospital experience about the patient warmer. Okay, let me say and try to engage and try to watch my presentation and read. I'm going to read out. Listen to carefully. Used in OT ICU recovery emergency and prevents perioperative hyperthermia patients and improves patient comfort and outcomes of the patient's warmer, and blower filter blockage is in a common issue, and regular PM reduces downtime, and always verify temperature accuracy. Okay, and keep spare blankets and filters ready, and alarm setting is life saving, never ignore, and proper documentation builds reliability. These are the very very important point, because of why I'm giving in medical field. At any situation, any biomedical engineer, if he ignore the topics, then he will be in a trouble. Okay, so trouble in which way coming we cannot expect. That's why if you follow the instructions right way, if you are trouble also, you will get a solution by my live sessions. Okay. Now come here. So troubleshooting purpose I have explained very clearly. I hope you got it very clearly. I no need to explain again, I hope. Now come here. Section wise component overview, see here. See what I'm giving information. These are the technical component, technical way I'm going to give you, because of technical is also very, very important for every biomedical engineer to run long time, to survive successfully. For that purpose, troubleshooting is very, very important, and settings are very, very important. Okay, and basic things are very, very important, and diagnosis is very, very important to every biomedical engineer. Okay, at the same time, technical aspects and technical points to know, to find out the issues and to replace the issues, that is the very, very important major role in the biomedical engineers. Okay, I hope you are listening right now. Yes, come on. Section wise component view, see here. Power sections, see power sections in this patient warmer, any medical equipment you have to separate section wise: power section, control section, okay, input section, output section, safety section. Then you can understand and you can do perform very clearly, then easy to find out and without waste of time, and no chances to damages any other components by applying wrong condition. Okay, that's why please follow my instructions what I'm saying here. And power section, see here. SMPS fuse filter, see here. My dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Be professional. What I'm going to say here, professional work skills, demandable points I'm going to say here. Okay, right, come on. Power section, see a section wise components, see here. I'm going to read out now, listen to carefully what I'm giving here, and watch my presentation what I'm giving here seriously. Right, come on. Power section, SMPS fuse filter. SMPS means what? Switch mode power supply. Section 1. Section 2, control section, MCU. Okay, microcontroller unit and PCB. Okay, software. And third one, see here, input section, sensors, keyboard. Okay, keypad. And fourth section, output section, heater, blower, alarm. And fifth point, see here, section wise I'm going to say here, safety section, see output section what? Heater, blower, all alarm. Okay, and fifth point, safety section, overheat, fuse alarm. And sixth point, see here, mechanical section, housing, duct, hose, filter. See, if you follow these all instructions in a systematical way, then if you're learning big equipment and critical equipment, the highest equipment also, you will be a perfect and you will become a master within less time by following the instructions. Okay, these are the time taken process, depend on your interest, depend on your keeping efforts, that is going to results. Okay, going to outcome the results. Now see here, these are the section wise components, component over review I'm giving here, because of based on this component sections, we can understand and we can go to the problem. Okay, right, come on. Now see, technical errors commonly, before I have explained that is different way, these are the different way, and these are the every points I'm going to show here. What about the patient warmer? Okay, patient warmer where ICU, recovery and surgery, operation theaters, this equipment available. Okay, for your knowledge purpose, these are the very, very important. Don't do your duty blank. Okay, don't do your duty to get a salary. Okay, not only to get a salary, salary is very, very important to survive our life as a human being. Okay, but as an engineer you have to be a perfect, you have to be a skilled engineer, right? Now technical errors common here I'm going to show you here. See, time is a matter, but what I fixed to give you information, I don't miss it and I don't overcome also. Okay, I'm very confident. So to give you, and let me finish right now, and I'm going to finish within 10 to 20 minutes. It is going to over this live session, right? Right, come on. Using wrong see technical errors, what will come? Using wrong voltages and operating without UPS, and using damaged blanket and blocked air filter, over tightening hose, ignoring alarm, no regular maintenance, wrong temperature setting, using extension board, and what are liquid entry in unit. See, these are the points you have to be keep first priority. Okay, sir, I am a biomedical engineer, I can do the services, then don't neglect and don't ignore the points. Understand? Daily, if you provide the services, that is not a big issue. But if you do the services, that services should come within 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, up to 6 months. It should be longevity. Okay, that is the power of your skill. Okay, I hope you are getting right now very clearly. By engage my live sessions, definitely will get a more points, whatever required, and what is the necessity, what is recommend to all biomedical engineers. Right? Come on, be positive and try to approach my channel, that is Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Now see here, before slide session, I have explained very clearly. Here, I bring it you because of based on internal parts. So now I'm giving you, if equipment not working, what to check it. See here. Power availability main UPS means, see, when you connect the power supply to the main supply, understand, from the equipment to from by using power card, then you may not get it. Okay. So then what, outer view troubleshooting time you have to find out, you have to check it. Then if it is not working, then after opening the equipment, how to check the power supply, that is very very important, because of when connect the power supply, you should be careful and proper connections, and you should be keep the proper terminals, positive negative terminals, by using the multimeter. Definitely, because of continuity you have to check it, and voltages you have to check it, and like what are the specifications parameters, you have to check it every components. Before that you should be at have a proper knowledge. Okay, don't engage the internal parts, because of these are the very risky, and if you want to engage, then try to communicate with your seniors and try to follow all things safety protocols, then do it, no problem. Okay, because of I am expecting every engineer should have a proper knowledge, and every engineer should do perform, even junior engineer also should capable equal to senior engineer, that much capability you should gain. Okay, then only you will get a great opportunities and great opportunities, and then only you will get a promotions in your biomedical engineering services. Okay, I hope I am giving very clearly. You are getting very clearly. Okay, patient is very important. Let me continue right now. So patient warmers, if not working, what to check it? See here, UPS. See, power failure main UPS. See, why I am giving this information here. I am opening this equipment. See here, it is visible. See here, power supply, where we have to check it. First of all, here, see, where we are connecting the power supply, where is the, so we have to find out by using our brain. Okay, that's why if I'm giving the all information, then you will get it, then you will catch the point right now. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, if equipment not working, what to check? Power availability. And second point, see here, power cord, plug or fuse. How do you check it? This power cord plug, because by using the multimeter, by keeping multimeter proper parameter. Okay, based on the parameter multimeter, if you want to check it, power cord, then you have to keep in power continuity. Okay, Wi-Fi symbol will be there under the multimeter. Then you have to continuity. Then you have to use that, check it, and because of it, anything damages you can find out by checking all this. Okay, right. Fuse how can you check it? This is also by using the multimeter. We can check these all things. Okay, right, come on. Third point, main honor of switches. Sometimes switch also problem, because of sometimes switch looking like good, but that is not functioning properly when we switch on the equipment. Okay, then that time what we have to do, we have to open and we have to check the outside. Not possible to check it, the fuse check switch, because of it is a operating switch inside components available, that is phase neutral. I think what are the three phases or four phases, six phases, that is switches will be there. That is depend on power of the equipment, that is going to specifications. Okay, right, come on. And alarm indications, see here, alarm indications also very very important, because of don't keep mute. Okay, as per medical terms, we should not keep any alarms, because of alarms are very very important to alert patient, doctor and engineer, because of whenever get a complaint, we have to be alert, because of sometimes what happen, high temperature also coming, that patient will get burn also sometimes. Okay, so many things happen. That's why alarm high limit, low limit, medium limit, that is whoever manufacture company, that is recommended basic engineering principle, healthcare sectors, that is decided. That's why we should not do anything. If anything did not getting alarms, if it continues getting alarms, means don't okay, ignore it. Don't ignore, and don't try to mute the alarm. Okay, it is very very important for the try to provide the solutions. Okay, come on, I hope you are listening right now. And hose connections and air filter cleaner not. Okay, temperature setting and over cut off tripped, and heater element, temperature sensor, PCB connectors, SMPS output voltage, and replace faulty part if required. Okay, see, if you do the troubleshootings properly, then no need to replace any part. Okay, my advice for every biomedical engineers. Okay, don't try to recommend to replace new parts. Okay, should do diagnose properly. Okay, should observe properly, because of that part will be expensive. If blower problem you are saying, if you're not diagnosing properly, then what will happen? Blower need to buy, So that's why proper diagnosis, proper find out is very very important, because your judgment is very basic of the services. Okay, right? Come on. That's why if you do perform, definitely everyone give you respect, everyone will give you value, and definitely you will get a promotions in your work area. Okay. So in this way, I'm giving me, so I am positive, very perfect thinking about all people's. If I'm a selfish person, I cannot give this much information. Okay. I want to be a selfless person in the society to provide the biomedical engineering services as a professional. Right? Right. Come on. Parameters monitor, see here. See, these all things I have explained here in this slide only, but these all points when you come to the internal parts, when you open that equipment, that is patient monitor, patient warmer, sorry. Okay, patient warmer monitoring equipment. Okay, see, set temperature and air outlet temperature and airflow LPM, see here CFM, and heater status and blower status and alarm status and system status and operating time. Okay, these are the very important points I'm going to share here. It is very very important to keep in your mind. Okay, and PM and calibration purpose, I have given information. Please follow the instructions. And whenever you are going to do the PMS, if you have any doubt, if you are not have any confident about your performance, then give me comment. Okay. Then give me comment in my live sessions. Definitely, I will give you proper response, and definitely by engage my live sessions, you will get a great support through my channel. Okay, because of basically I am also biomedical engineer. I can understand, I can support you, because of once upon a time I'm also biomedical engineer. What are the problem will be there, and what are the challenges will be there. Okay, today if you are facing, please engage my session and subscribe my channel. Definitely you will have a bright future. Okay, right? Safety precautions also I have explained very clearly. I hope you are getting. And now see here how to maintain reliability also I have explained very clear right now. Yes. Now, see, in the second slide presentation in this live session, so successfully I have completed here. I am very happy to say these all things. Yes. So see, you can observe, you can find out till now why I am giving, how I am giving presentation. You can understand. So while I am doing giving presentation, what you find out, great patience, great skills, explanation, experience. These are the very very important, and nothing easily come in your life. Everything we have to achieve, we have to get it, everything by paying interest. Okay, in my YouTube channel, no need to pay single rupee also. Okay, only engaging, and you have to pay proper concentration, proper ambition, proper points. Then we will continue is a professional way. Okay, society purpose, we should be a qualified, and we should survive long time with communication such a biomedical engineering, because we are working in healthcare service provider, which is related to the human technology. Okay, right? Come on. So by doing our duty, we are providing the services, and we are doing the social service. Okay, indirectly we are doing the service, because of if you do the, if you repair the equipment means what, patient will get proper treatment. Patient where will come from? Society only will come. That's why I'm saying society social services. We are doing our duty. We are giving performance multiple ways. Okay, right? Come on, my dear engineers. I want to give you positive advice to all of engineers. Listen to carefully. By based off of my 8 years of experiences, I'm going to read out now. It is visible right now. Yes, yes. Let me read out first of all. See, you are the backbone of healthcare technology. Your knowledge, dedication, and timely maintenance ensure life saving equipment works whenever every second matters. Keep learning, stay updated, and never compromise on safety. A well maintained equipment is a health patient and a trusted engineer. Okay, that is, I'm saying, see, when I'm giving explanation, I'm very proud of myself. We should proud of ourselves, because of see, if you are completed the diploma any biomedical engineering course, so you are almost achiever. Only doing job time, you should follow capabilities, everything. So every information I'm going to give you in my live sessions, nothing to worry. Okay, subscribe my channel, engage my live sessions, and get a points, and try to sign up your bright future, and try to provide the excellent services instantly by engage my live sessions. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, here you have to follow. See here, it is visible right now. See, I'm going to show here. See, down, see here. Learn continuously, work safely, be responsible, maintain quality, serve better, save lives. These are the important points. We want to become a successful person in biomedical engineering. if you want to survive a long time, these are the points you have to follow in your life. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly right now, my dear engineers, students, freshers, whoever working as a biomedical engineer in biomedical engineering services, private hospital, corporate hospital, BMMP, whatever it is. See, here again I'm saying I'm not including any companies, any offices, any confidential matters I'm not sharing here. Okay. I'm sharing only which is required, which is necessity to all biomedical engineer. As a citizen of the society today, I'm giving presentation here. Okay. I hope you are getting my channel, my explanation in a positive way. Definitely will have a bright future. My engagement live sessions. Okay. Non-stop contribution for that purpose. One like I'm expecting. Okay. My live session, I'm expecting 1,000 lives likes. I'm expecting and 1,000 subscribers also. I'm expecting. Okay. Please subscribe my channel, my dear engineers, who are engaging. So these all things successfully now today I have completed here. Okay. Yes, my dear biomedical engineers. So these all things, see, in my live sessions today, what I have completed. First of all, basic equipment I have given the content, content based today. I have provided the information. Okay. So every day I will bring a one content based on content only. I will speak out. I will explain. I will try to give the proper explanations which is understand and which is useful in your life. For every biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. Okay, right? Come on. Thank you so much and keep watch my channel. Now I'm going to stop this presentation because of 100%. I'm successfully completed. Now I'm going to interact with you all peoples right now. See, this is not my duty time. But as a citizen of the society, we have a non-stop duty. Understand? So that's why job is one of the part in our life to run our job purpose. What are the things required? I am going to give the presentation in my life. Okay. See, I am explaining. I am talking too much, and too much information I'm giving means every point. If you observe very clearly, information I'm giving here. Understand? So that's why take it serious about the life. Life is very very important. Okay, every step is very very important. Every step is going to success. Every instructions is going to lead your success in your life. Understand? So that's why I'm expecting. Please give me comment in a positive way. And today, see, I'm talking. Me see, I'm not a normal person today. I'm leading a state level regional operations and that much power, that much high level top category. I'm leading now today. But only simple positive mind is because of everyone should have a proper knowledge, proper skills of the biomedical engineering. For proper awareness purpose, today I'm coming here giving live sessions and upcoming live sessions. What? 1,000 live sessions I'm ready to give you by engaging daily 9 p.m. different topics. Okay. So that's why today I have covered patient warmer. Okay. So like tomorrow, one more topic will be there and how to do what to do, what not to do. I will show you today successfully. I have completed the live session. What I given the commitment. Right now, let me show you how to check my channel because of many engineers they got suddenly my YouTube channel they are engaging, but after that they are not getting my channel. They are not find out my channel in YouTube channel. Okay, so that's why for those engineer purpose because of so many see 12 million 12 lakhs people are watching this that is not a small matter for me. It's a great achievement. That is education channel. This much engaging means that is a surprise. That is a very competitive society. In this competitive society, this much people are supporting, this much people are engaging. Very hats off to all peoples. Right? Yes. See, here my advice, if you are interested, really, understand? See, every engineer, senior, junior, whoever, so many engineers, sir, I'm not have any idea, sir, about that equipment, sir. I don't do that work, sir. So don't say that type of words because of that is going to stop your career. That's why, as a biomedical engineer, my opinion, what just to focus all things and be patient and whatever be interested. Okay, without interest, you cannot survive in biomedical engineering. Very interest because of here nobody spoon feeder. Okay, like this, take this knowledge and do your work. Nobody say like that. Okay, once you are a performer, once you are a employer, once you are doing job as a biomedical engineer, you have to take a pre-active. Okay, you should be behave proactive. Means what? Before getting a problem, you have to catch the problem, you have to find out the problem, then only you will get a great knowledge. Okay, see, if you work in company 5 years, 5 years company, but you are not getting any promotions, you are not any getting any high salaries, anything. Why? You are doing work excellent. Daily your calls are too much. Okay, daily 10 to 20 calls you are. Monthly your calls only nearly 3 to 400 calls you are only. You are the best performer. But why you are not growing? Because of company point of view is different. Okay, company observation, hospital management level, top level category of observation is different. But they will not reject you. Every time they will support you because of a company running purpose, engineering service running purpose. Everyone is very very important. Junior engineer is important. Every category people are very very important to run the smoothly BMMB services. That's why we are communicating with everyone. And if you want to grow your career, understand, then you have to follow instructions in this way. Okay, right, let me show you today how to check my channel. Then I will tell you tomorrow what will be there. I'm going to show you right now, please. Okay, come on, because of this is the very very important. Whoever not having that much opportunity, definitely I want to show you, and I want to support many peoples in the society right now. Yes, come on, let me show you. I want to show the screen. Okay, I want to show because of give the presentation purpose. I want to show here. Is it visible right now? Yes. Here, see here. I'm going to show my YouTube channel Ganesh SPM is GANESS. See here, SBME. Okay, and what special? SPECIAL special advisor, ADVISOR. Okay, this is my YouTube channel name. Okay, see, basically I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, I am a graduated person, and I'm a real-time hospital biomedical engineering person, and successfully 18 years of completed in biomedical engineering services, and with a good intention, good positive mind. Today I have selected the YouTube channel because of YouTube channel is the very perfect and disciplined platform. Now come here, my YouTube channel how look like. I'm going to show here. Okay, whoever interested, if you want to learn, and if you want to know, if you are really, if you like my channel, if you are interested in my topics, if you are if you are favorite my like YouTube channel, definitely see here. Here live is going here. You subscribe my channel first of all. Okay, if you subscribe, then definitely it will be notification come. Next home page here, home page live going here, like this homepage videos, and see live sessions. Here I'm going to show you here because of tomorrow what upcoming live sessions I want to show you. How can you find out my live sessions daily 9 p.m. See here different topics, different concepts, basics based on the comments, based on the engineering students doubts purpose. I have prepared the live content. See here. Okay, like date wise, every date will be there. That day only I will be available in that time. Every different concepts based on my experiences, I'm going to show you. I will give the presentation, and every point is dedicated to all biomedical engineers. Okay, now see here, it's all almost 100 plus live sessions completed, and many more engages also reaching. Thank you so much, public biomedical engineering society. Now see here, this is the patient Varma today completed. Okay, and tomorrow plasma sterilizer will be there masterclass. Tomorrow 9 p.m. I will come back again to provide the valuable information. See here, this one. Okay, I want to click it now, then it is visible right now. See here, it will come now. Wait, because of network, because of continuation using network means network issue. It is coming right now. See here, I hope it is visible right now. Tomorrow presentation. See here, tomorrow date what? See here, my dear engineering students. 15/7/2026 9 p.m. tomorrow I will come back again with a valid point in this way. Okay, right? Come on, now we will go back. It is going back to my channel, then in this way. Okay, I hope you are listening right now. So like this, see, long multiple videos also I have provided, which is important to every biomedical engineering purpose. Like every designations, every equipment, every technical skills, everything is important to survive a long life in your biomedical engineering successful, right? Okay, see, these all things, everything info available. I hope you are watching right now. And playlist, see, playlist wise, I have prepared the different content. See here, very simple way. If you read the title, see here, every video title, see here, medical equipment handling for freshers. Like every title basis, I have provided the information based on my 18 years of experience as a biomedical engineer. Now we are providing as a state regional manager operations. So these all things, it will come, it will appear in front of your mobile, and if you are using laptop, whatever it is. Now we are social media is very famous. That's why I'm coming in this way to provide the valuable information by provide the YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name what? Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Otherwise, Ganesh SBM is special advisor. Also, you can type it and you can get it. Okay, right? Now 2 hours successfully completed. Now successfully completed all things here. These all things very successfully designed and everything. Proper valid power explanations I have provided here. Please try to subscribe my channel, and whenever you have doubt, okay, give me comment in a positive way. Now I am going to stop the presentation because of 100% today successfully completed the live sessions based on the patient warmers. Okay, right, come on top now. Yes, I hope you are listening my voice. So thank you so much. I should be gratitude to all peoples, and my intention see whatever you want to become, that is with your hands. Try to keep efforts in a possible way. Everything is possible. Every resources I'm trying to give you all peoples. Okay. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. I'll come back again new topic. Thank you.